Dear educators, a lot of times what happens is that you have a panel but you don't have a content, or if you have the content you don't have the panel. Now to solve the problem, we are partnered with ViewSonic, as you have all known from our past few videos. Here for mathematics and English from UKG till 12th standard, we have IXL that is available on the My ViewBoard application. All you need to do is log in. So here, go onto your apps. As soon as you go onto your apps, click on My ViewBoard. So on the My ViewBoard, I've already kept it open, but where exactly you will find it, I'll show that also to you. So just click on your magic box, click on your browser. As soon as that is done, just wait for it to load. As soon as the loading is done, just click on IXL. So in the next series of videos, we're going to talk about the content which is there for mathematics and English and how you'll be able to train your kids with that. Thank you so much.